Director Bishop Brother Elsie Villanueva, a non-sectarian Bible-based Christ-centered Christian ministry. Kung saan non-sectarian, kahit anong opinion yung kayo nakabilong, kayo po ay very much welcome. At ang mission po natin ng Panambaan is to bring all the people to the kingdom of the living God, regardless of race, nationality, belief, and religious affiliation through the saving, healing, delivering, and transforming power of our Lord Jesus Christ. And Bible